Okay, so while I'm waiting for the electrician to, he's gonna be sometime after Christmas now, getting in here. But I just decided that I would start working in this for a second. So this is my compressor and my rad processing. So I've got my bucket under here, and the oil just drops right into the bucket. I've got copper noodles and stuff there. But so I've just made this little I don't know what you call it, setup anyhow. So so I can lay my rads. Well, I'll show you how it's done after. Got my my little fire extinguisher there. So this is like I'm just kind of getting this all set up here too. Here, let me turn the lighter on. And yeah, I'm just gonna start sorting here. Then I'm going, because on Wednesday they're coming to pick up 10 pallets of TVs and stuff. So wait, let me get this here. So all of these TVs, there's piles of TV. Oh, that's that good microwave. So yeah, I'll get all of these loaded out of here. Then I'll have more space to work in here. But what I'm going to do is put the insulated tarps across here, and then I'll put the diesel heater in. I'll block that door off as well. I've just been clearing out a spot here. There's some dogs. I'm going to start pulling this stuff back into the back and sorting once I get going here. And then Roy said these things are really cool, but he really wouldn't have anything to build out of them. We were looking at turning them into a shredder of some sort. I was thinking maybe a board shredder, but I'm not spending a bunch of money. I'm not a millwright. I don't know how I'd even start building that stuff. But so I'm going to scrap that, and then there's another one underneath it. These are the dumpling machines. Hi, and you're my dumpling. So I gotta scrap these out, get them out of the way, and then I'm just going to I think I got a 16-foot door here, so I can put like four pallets, and then 2 in behind. And then Wednesday, when the truck comes to load, I can just pull them out of here. I don't really trust this floor too much, but it won't be a huge deal, just kind of pulling in and pulling a few pallets back. The ones that'll be further back I'll keep over on this side, because there's a concrete footer that runs all the way down and to those doors. So maybe I should just pull everything over to the left here so that I have a good straight runway down on the strongest part. But anyhow, this is what I've been doing kind of yesterday and today, and then I'm going to start, once I get the load of TVs out on Wednesday, I'm going to start bringing all of the P-tacks in, and that's what my processing station's for. Because yeah, I might as well work in this little area. It's going to be a lot easier to keep warm. With the lower ceiling. Out there it's 16-foot ceilings, and here's like 8-foot ceilings, so big difference. And once I block the doors off there, and I'll get my little diesel heater going in here, once I get the electrician in, I'll probably just run an electric heater because you know, it's not like I'm going to be out here all day every day, but having to keep going buying diesel and then exhausting the diesel out, and then we'll start cutting all of this stuff out, all that copper pipe, and yeah. And I'm going to start processing all of this stuff for going into the fitting in the crucible, which I should get my yeah, I don't know, I'm not going to bother with any casting right now, but I've got a cast iron mold coming, an ingot mold. So what I'll do is it's in Canada now. It came from the UK. I didn't realize that. And yeah, then I'll start just as I pull wiring and whatever, get enough to make a few ingots. I'll just melt them down, and we'll do that. We'll do it that way. I've also got all of this that I kind of think I should melt down too, but I don't know. I guess that's old sheet. Or keep it for... To me, it looks like it'd be good for aiming, like forced air, but I guess if I'm going to go electric, I don't really need to do that. Whatever. I don't know what I'm going to do. This is a bunch of the duct stuff I had to pull out, and then I got some more little... I don't know, there's all kinds of stuff in here. And that's what this will be for in here, is just sorting stuff out and getting just getting things done. But I feel pretty good. Usually I'm pretty overwhelmed, but right now I don't feel very overwhelmed, and it's good. Like we got Christmas coming, and we don't do anything really for Christmas. Next year we're gonna go back to Ontario and see our families, but yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe go for a drive down south. So we'll see what the weather's like in Vancouver or Kelowna or wherever we end up going. I'd like to go down and do a little hot tub tour, or not hot spring tour, because there's a bunch of hot springs we really like down south, and it's pretty cool in the winter. So yeah, we'll do something. But here's my little update.